Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by removing the beta profile so your iPhone stops receiving pre-release updates. Open Settings, go to General, then VPN and Device Management, and locate the beta profile. Tap Remove Profile and confirm with your passcode. Once done, restart your iPhone to clear temporary settings and ensure the profile is fully unloaded. Make sure to back up important data before moving forward. This is swift but necessary. After reboot, you'll be ready for the next step, switching back to official releases. Now you'll switch from beta to the official release channel. Open Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Software Update, and check for the latest public update. If one appears, tap Download and install and follow prompts. If settings shows no update because you need a full restore, connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to download and install the latest public IPSWA for your device model. This restores system files to the official build. Make sure your backup is current so you can restore your data afterward. Finish by confirming you're on a non-beta build. Go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow About, and check the software version. It should lack the beta label. If updates fail or the device behaves oddly, erase iPhone and perform a clean restore from Finder or iTunes, then restore your backup. This removes lingering beta artifacts. One troubleshooting tip: if you still get beta updates, double-check the beta profile is removed and sign out of any beta enrollment in your Apple ID or the Apple Beta software program on another device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.